Hello friends, welcome back again. Today we are going to discuss about exception handling in Python. Today, this is our today's topic. Now coming to exception handling, why అసలు మనం ఎందుకు ఎక్సెప్షన్స్ వాడదాం? ఎక్సెప్షన్స్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏదైనా కోడ్ మనం పైథాన్ లో రాసినప్పుడు అది tends to give an exception or it goes to give an error. For example, 3 divided by 0. We all know that it gives error. So, to overcome it, we use exceptions. So, main point is to mm, get rid of errors, we use exceptions. Okay. So, let us discuss about the definition of the exception handling. These are runtime anomalies which cause errors and handle them with giving a proper statement to the user. Say, I'll explain this. Definition is this. These are the runtime anomalies. Anomalies means problems or difficulties which cause errors. So, ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ కి ఎర్రర్ వచ్చేటప్పుడు ఇవి ఎక్సెప్షన్స్ అనేవి హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తామండి. హ్యాండ్లింగ్ అంటే ఒక ప్రాపర్ వే ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ వాట్ దస్ ద ఎర్రర్, అంటే అసలు ఎర్రర్ ఏంటి అని చెప్తాయి. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ హ్యాండ్లింగ్. సో మనకంటే యాజ్ వీఆర్ డెవలపర్స్ వీ కెన్ ఈజీలీ అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ ఎర్రర్, బట్ యూజర్స్ కాంట్ నో. యూజర్స్ తెలియదు కదా ఎర్రర్ ఏంటో. సో యూజర్కి అర్థమయ్యేటట్టు ఆ ఎర్రర్ ని మనం చెప్పడమే ఎక్సెప్షన్ హ్యాండ్లింగ్ సింపుల్ గా. సో వితౌట్ లేట్, నెక్స్ట్. Okay. In exceptions, the general syntax is this is most important. Syntax of the exception handling. First, try. This is the area where we write the entire logic. Okay, in which it seems to be error. Okay, more than comments, more than one line. So this is a try block. We will call it as, and it has except also. Excepts also take a parameter here. So you can write. So in the except block, we write the user readable exception in statements. Okay, this is the except block, and we have finally also. Finally means whether error is there or not, it will be printed at last. This is the use of code readability and to give the message to the user that error or exception successfully. Okay, I'll explain. See, first syntax of exception handling is try. If we take divide by zero, we will see a simple code also. Don't worry. Here we will take an input, a number, and we will try to divide it by zero. And we will take, and in the logic should be written in it. So x is equal to n by zero, and we will write except. This is the, if we get any 2 marks question, we should write this simple example. They will be considered. Exception we get, so we will write here exception inside cannot divide by zero. Okay. Next, finally, as I told, finally by default it will be printed. Exception or successfully. Okay. So we will execute this. We will give an integer like 6. C. Cannot divide by zero. We have written ఇక్కడ జీరోతో డివైడ్ నెంబర్ అవ్వదు కాబట్టి ఎక్సెప్ట్ బ్లాక్ లోకి వెళ్ళి ప్రింట్ క్యాన్ డివైడ్ బై జీరో ఇట్ గివెన్ అలాగే చెప్పాను కదా ఫైనల్లీ బై డిఫాల్ట్ గా ప్రింట్ అయిపోతుంది సో ఎక్సెప్షనల్ ఎర్రర్ హ్యాండిల్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్లీ దిస్ ఇస్ ద వే ఫర్ రైటింగ్ ద కోడ్స్ ఇన్ ఎక్సెప్షన్ హ్యాండ్లింగ్ సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద exception handling. It is a user defined. Okay, sorry, it is a predefined divide by zero. So these comes under, we have types of exception. There are two types. One is predefined, and second one is user defined. Okay. So we have discussed about predefined. Why? Because divide by zero, it is already within the Python library. That is exception handling. So predefined, it already executed. We see it just now. The user defined means it takes a keyword called raise. This is a very important question we get in the exam. So raise means it is used to give the user defined exceptions. So the general syntax is try. Within the try block, we will write the code, the logic, and everything. And down, we will write raise something other invalid input or invalid input. Okay. No, invalid input. Okay. In except, we will write except recently I told it takes a parameter. So what is there in the race? We will write here and something print statement we can write, and then we can include finally also for code readability. See, everything, the colon is most important for everything. Like is a function, so colon is most important. So this is the here we can write any statements. That's it. So this is about the exception handling. The raise is most important. Raise means to give the user-defined exceptions. Okay. Uh, and one note point is this is very important. You can get in the gate exam also. The note point is for today class, all the exceptions we have are user defined also should be user defined are the subclasses of the exception class. This is most important. దీని అర్థం ఏంటంటే మనకి చాలా ఎక్సెప్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఏంటది? ఇన్వాలిడ్ ఇన్పుట్ ఆర్ డివైడ్ బై జీరో ఆర్ అరే అవుట్ ఆఫ్ బౌండ్, like this we have and etc. So these are the subclasses. These are the present in the main class, that is exception class. So exception is the boss of all the classes. Okay, this is most important. That's it. By this day, we have completed the exception handling in Python. So I will share these notes and I will share this the program also, basic program as an example in the description. So please go through it. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.